Kia ora, I'm Dr. Kelsey Miller from the Faculty of Science. I'm based at the Lee Marine Laboratory. Across the world's temperate reefs, overgrazing by sea urchins has turned complex kelp forests into urchin barrens, flat, lifeless areas of rock with far less biodiversity. This loss of habitat impacts the entire ecosystem. My PhD explored whether removing sea urchins can restore these underwater forests. Reviewing global studies, I found that most showed that when sea urchins are removed, large seaweeds, or macroalgae, return. I then tested this in Tikapo Moana, the Hauraki Gulf, conducting a large-scale kina removal over 7.1 hectares. 2 years later, canopy cover of kelp and fucoids had increased dramatically, from around 5% to 43%. I found that clearing sea urchins from barrens can trigger rapid, multi-species recovery of macroalgae. However, this method alone doesn't solve the underlying problem, often the loss of predators that naturally keep urchin numbers in check. Without addressing this, benefits are temporary. Long-term resilience will come from combining sea urchin removal with rebuilding predator populations, allowing kelp forests to thrive for generations to come.